Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting access and setting clear targets. Create your impact. Com account and verify your email, then finish the profile so tracking works. Once done, declare your niche and set specific goals, target CPA or commission, and 3 KPIs like conversion rate, average order value, and revenue. After that, connect your site or e-commerce platform and install the impact tracking pixel or configure server-to-server integration. This ensures clicks and sales are recorded accurately before you recruit partners. Next, you recruit partners and configure your program to control payouts and compliance. Use Impact. Com's marketplace filters to find publishers that match your vertical, then invite them with targeted messaging. Make a program with commission tiers, cookie window length, creative assets, and promotional rules so everyone knows expectations. Once partners join, run a tracking test together and provide onboarding materials. Set performance benchmarks and agree cadence for reporting. This prevents mismatches and speeds up. Finally, you focus on optimization, payments, and troubleshooting to sustain growth. Regularly review the impact. Com dashboard for attribution data, fraud signals, and partner-level ROI. Then adjust commission tiers, pause low performers, and scale top partners. Make small /B tests on creatives and landing pages to raise conversions, and schedule payouts per your agreed terms. If tracking problems occur, first verify the pixel or server-to-server logs, confirm query string parameters, and reconcile conversions before releasing payment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.